In this lesson, you'll learn how to use shortcut keys to immediately insert charts in your worksheet. There are two shortcut keys. If you hold down the Alt key while holding down F1, it's going to insert a chart in the worksheet, the same worksheet as your data. If instead you just hit F11, it's going to insert a chart in a separate worksheet. So what I've done here is I've already selected the data I want to use for my chart. Remember, if I didn't select the data, if I just simply clicked anywhere in the data set, it would use all of the data in my chart. Since I don't want to use the company names, I went ahead and selected the data first, and now I'm going to hit the F11 key to insert this chart in a brand new worksheet. And there it is. Some of you may be asking, why did it insert this particular chart type in my worksheet? And what influences this is the default chart type. So if you want Excel to automatically insert a different type of chart, maybe a line chart or something like that, all you have to do is change the default chart, and that's what we're going to discuss next. What we're going to do here is we're going to switch back to our data set, and then we're going to go to the Insert tab, and I'm just going to click Recommended Charts because icon. I'm going to go to All Charts, and you see that when I right click on the clustered column chart, there's a check mark next to Set as Default Chart. If I wanted to make something like the line chart my default chart, I simply would select the chart and then right click and put a check mark next to Set as Default Chart. So again, if you're not satisfied with the fact that Excel is using the clustered column chart as your default, just switch it to something else.